kunnen tegenhouden. Maar het is dan ook weer typisch op een... En dan heel snel ingespeeld op Darwin Núñez. Jota blijft achter de bal, correct allemaal.
Κοντράρει το σουτ και μπροστά του δύο παίχτες. Αλεξάντερ Άρνολτ, καταπληκτικό γκολ, υπέροχο γκολ στην εκπνοή του. Βρήκε την μπάλα μπροστά του, έχει καταπληκτικό πόδι, έτσι κι αλλιώς το δοκίμασε. Αδύνατον να αντιδράσει ο Κρέλιν. Δείτε το τρομερό σουτ του Αλεξάντερ Άρνολτ. Πάρα πολύ καλό, καθαρό χτύπημα στην μπάλα.
Look at this, and it's open up. Oh, what a chance for Chiesa. Save. There stands. The youngster with no problem.
That from Dance absolutely came alive. As soon as he won that ball back, Liverpool just came alive. The defenders and opening up, allowing Chiesa in. Did well enough, the goalkeeper again, but just kept moving.
Here's Chiesa. Lining one up. And there it is. His first Liverpool goal. Federico Chiesa. A smile.
Yeah, it's a relieved smile from Chiesa, and he has done well. He's a good player, doing what he does, and he's been nudging as if he's going to get his goal. Great effort that was.
The top level talent. We know that about Federico Chiesa. Been waiting for the opportunity really. And Arne Slot will be delighted with that. It's the score.